Hey guys, we're watching the Chillin Grillin today. So yeah, hope you guys having a good day, having a good weekend. Just 15 minutes.
Yeah, this isn't Uncle Larry's video. This isn't Chillin Grillin. This is Jesse's vlog. Hey there, Jerry's Joe Farmer Jerry's here. We're doing a little Memorial Day weekend cookout. What do you got on these skewers here? I'm intrigued.
Zucchini.
Oh, baby.
Green pepper, onion, and mushroom.
And what you spicing up? What do you got on there?
A little sea salt.
A little sea salt.
And then I'm gonna just put a little pepper.
Oh, with the grinder. Wow.
That way.
You're professional. Holy crap.
Of course, we put some olive oil.
You don't pour any Corona on these, right?
No.
Okay. All right. Alright.
And then we're just gonna sit there and let them.
Yeah, you gotta spin them around, get it
Spread
up.
them a little bit every now and then.
Excellent, excellent. Now this is a vegetable. We got what's the main course for tonight? We got a protein.
We're having New York boneless
Oh, boneless.
strip steak
Oh, wow.
and
Yeah.
potatoes.
Okay.
And the potatoes are seasoned with Italian dressing, right? A little salt and pepper. And then we have on the steak, we're going to use a little essence. I already rubbed them down.
Oh, we got dry rub. Nice, tenderize them.
But these take a long time to cook.
Alright. These are like the perfect size too.
Like them, huh?
What's that? You know what that dry rub is? You said it was called essence?
Essence.
Oh, yeah, what?
Emerald.
Emerald Lagasse?
Exactly.
Got you.
Bam.
Bam. It's a whole slew of spices, I believe.
Yep.
All in one stop.
Yeah guys, today it's like in the 70s today, so that's good. It's May and it's starting to get warm.
So you should get Twitter.
I have no idea how to tweet.
Alright, well, that would be a tweet. That would be your first tweet. It'd be like, I had no idea how to tweet. Hashtag clueless. Yeah. And hashtags like categorization. So like you could see who else was clueless at the time.
Okay. There's probably not a whole lot of people that are clueless.
Or like hashtag keep it rigid. That's a good hashtag. So what do you think? Get a Twitter?
Yeah, I think I might have to get a new phone though.
What's your phone?
That dinosaur over there.
Dinosaur? I thought they were extinct. Holy shit, that is dinosaur.
Yeah, see?
Is it Brontosaurus?
He's an old phone.
Oh, that doesn't like flip up.
Okay.
Oh, it slides. Ew. Oh. Yeah, you don't be tweeting on that.
Do I need to get a new phone?
Yeah, I mean you can tweet from a computer, but yeah, we don't want you to get a Twitter if you're not gonna tweet. You know, people want to hear your advice, your euphemisms.
All right, well I'll consider it. Oh, so you want a beer?
You,
Oh yeah, since we're having steak. Nah, pass.
12 minutes.
We got potatoes.
Ooh, right.
Yeah, go check out Larry's videos, like these old Chilling and Grillins and stuff. They're good. Subscribe to Jesse, let's get him to 4 million. Subscribe to Big Brother, let's get him to 1 million. And subscribe to Larry's Lounge, let's get him close to 1 million. Because he's at like half a million.
Right? Because it saves a lot
You know,
of time.
because when Jesse gets 4 million, guys, remember, he's going to go skydiving with his dad. So I know a lot of you would love to see that. So subscribe, you know, tweet out his videos on your social medias, get people intrigued to subscribe.
So that fire is supposed to be happening?
We're now on the construction series of his Storyfire videos. Which I don't know why I still have no idea why he skipped those other videos. If you guys have any idea, let me know.
Okay.
I know he was streaming last night. Yesterday was Ashley. Okay, what's with that glue? See it on my cheek again? Do you guys know what that could be from?
Let's move the chairs right around here.
That's just so weird. It makes no sense. But anyways, if you guys watch your stream and you said anything about it, let me know. Because I'm curious. I don't watch the streams. Because I'm not really into streams. But you know, if any of you watching have, let me know.
Yeah, there we go.
If you said anything about it.
On go.
Because I'm just curious. And Brian, hope he's doing well. The other day, he had a surgery. Emergency back surgery. Jesse posted a Storyfire video talking about it.
I certainly hope so.
It takes the plate back to his room.
Maybe you can persuade him to come out.
I'll try. You'll get a Twitter and Tom will eat out with us. Yeah.
Take him out here. All right, so now we'll just let them brown a little bit.
Cool. Excelente.
You know, you're really lucky with that whole police thing that you had the other day, you know. The whole thing that you had with the cops the other day. you know, you're really lucky that they let you go, that they didn't press charges. You know, I'm glad to hear that happened, because you don't want to go to court.
Why? Oh, have you been to court or something?
I've been to court before, and it's not fun. It's not very intimidating inside there. Very intimidating to be in front of a judge. You don't want to do all that stuff. So, luckily, this happened in a place that, you know, your family.
Yeah. Yeah, my dad was close. Yeah, with the.
Oh,
I
could have been close for a long time.
Honestly, I don't think I could have went up like on the stand. Like I'm not a good liar. I might have started crying or something.
Yeah. I'm telling you, it's very, very intimidating.
Yeah.
You know, I'm glad that everything is working out in that respect, and now we can go on from here, Jess. We can.
Yeah, you got a channel. We can be making skids. You know, I just need to.
I really think, you know, whatever you got to do with your dad to stay home, because I know you want to stay home.
I do, yeah.
And that is
10
an
minutes.
important thing for you.
Yeah.
Stay home. You know, that's cool and everything, but you know, I really think it'd be a good idea, like we were talking about the other day.
What's up?
About, you know, coming over to help.
Yeah.
Getting away from that atmosphere for as much as you can, you know.
And you know what? I need to share this with everyone too. Me and Uncle Larry, you know, we did the powwow earlier today. I don't know if you guys saw, but it was about growing up, getting older, and it started to reflect and think about, you know, what we talked about, and really like, I don't think I appreciate what I have. I think I need to cut everyone some slack, and I need to stop freaking out as much. I just need to calm down.
I think we all don't appreciate what we have.
That's fair. Yeah.
True, that is true. Guys, appreciate what you have. You know, I know we take things for granted. But like with this situation with the meat, I don't know if you guys heard, but a lot of meat places have closed. So like there's not going to be much meat. I don't know how long it's going to last for. Because a lot of people have gotten sick. So like there's no, you know, no one can be working at the meat factories. So, you know, that's the type of stuff you take for granted. You never know one day you won't have anymore. You know, don't take, you know, your family for granted, your parents, you know, boyfriends, girlfriends, friends, you know, technology, the internet, YouTube. Dude, don't take YouTube for granted. A lot of people complain about YouTube, but don't take it for granted. Because I guarantee every one of you who complain about YouTube, if it was just to disappear, you guys would be upset about it. Let's be honest. You know, people who hate it so much and complain about the ones who's going to miss it the most if it were to ever be gone. Oh, Larry uploaded. Big Brother has a big problem. Intriguing. Maybe I can react to that. We'll see. I haven't reacted to Larry's video in a while, so maybe I can do this for you guys to react to videos. But yeah, you know, don't take YouTube for granted, because I guarantee, I'm telling you, if YouTube were to, you know, just disappear, just be no more, you guys will all be upset about it. Let's be honest. No matter how much you may not like what it do, you'll still be upset if it would just, you know, go away. So.
That looks sexy. Talking about Tom over here, because we got him outside. I don't.
It's a rare occurrence.
It is.
Not on film too.
I know.
7 minutes.
I feel like it's gonna disappear.
It could.
Chris
If you turn around 1 second, it'll be gone.
Yeah. I hear he doesn't appear in mirrors.
Not a vampire.
Oh shit. Nice. Yeah, I don't even know how we got it. It's food, I think. Food got him out, which looks great, by the way. You got the char marks on the steak.
I love ketchup with my steak. What about you guys? Guys eat ketchup with your steak? But I love the roasted potato.
Sorry about that, Jeff. I didn't mean to invite you.
Oh, that's cool.
You want to see? Sorry guys, I missed what he said.
Morning. I don't even think I get a meal like this at home.
Not unless it's like real video system or something, right?
But on the video.
Sorry about that, Jeff. I didn't mean to invite you.
No, that's cool.
Anyway, you gotta dig into it and eat it.
I'll try my best with one hand.
Very good. I got an idea.
Yeah.
Why don't all three of us one day set up,
Strip club?
no, set up Nintendo out here and play Mario Kart?
Oh. I think Tom giggles
Tom knows he kicked my ass in it all the time.
Wow, I'd be down for that.
Okay, but you gotta be able to
6 minutes.
try to get him.
No, we're doing free for all. We can't. Yeah,
That's what I like to hear.
yeah.
Are you good at it?
I mean, I used to be pretty good. I'm not a big Nintendo guy much anymore.
Okay, well,
I mean,
when Tom
I played Mario Kart on Nintendo 64. I was okay at it. I won like 1 game on it. But you know, I don't play Nintendo much. I played Zelda. My brother used to watch me when I was younger, and he had Nintendo, so I used to play Zelda. But I mean, it's not that hard to pick up on with the controller, you know. I mean, I know it's a different shape controller, but it's relatively easy to, you know, understand. Then the second time, because he ended up giving his Nintendo to my nephew. So one, I think it was like a Christmas Eve when we were at my sister's. Because how we do Christmas Eve traditions, like we go to my sister's, and like, you know, all siblings first for a few hours, and then everyone else comes. But anyways, yeah, it was just us. Then we were going to my aunt's house. But anyways, before that we were playing some Mario Kart, and I did not win, and I won like 1 game, I think. So yeah, I was proud of myself. You guys play Nintendo, or still have a Nintendo that you guys play?
Oh yeah, that'd be nice, right? Nah, we'll do it December.
I never played regular Nintendo. I only played Nintendo 64. And obviously, you know, Nintendo DS. I have 2 DSs here. I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but look here. I don't know if you guys can see around it, but I thought, like, you can see right here how it's like that. I thought, like, something spilled on there. So when I went to wipe it, the paint chipped off. I don't know how that happened. If you guys know how that happened, let me know. But guys, I want to know about the Storyfire thing, if Jesse and his Twitch streams have said anything about it. If you guys know, please comment.
You have? I've never played it. It's not like the Halo above Angel's Head. There's like, it's a ring world. Aliens.
Halo above Angel's Head. 4 minutes.
Cam Keys. Tartarus. Johnson.
I don't even know what he's saying. I only know Master Chief from Halo because of Jesse, so.
No, I grew up with Atari and then Nintendo, and I got as far as what, Wii U, and that's probably when I stopped playing.
Alright, so if I busted it out with, nothing?
Not at all.
I know of Halo. I want to say I did have a Halo. I think like my brother, someone got it for me. I forget which system. I want to say it's Xbox, and then I think I gave it to my uncle or something. But I tried playing it, I just really didn't like it. I mean, you know, I hope no one gets mad if you guys like Halo. Don't come for me. You know, just like if any of you don't like GTA, I wouldn't get mad at that. Like, I don't care who likes what for video games, but you know, can't get mad if someone don't like something you like, you know.
Oh, you're talking about the regular Mario, yeah.
Yeah. What other Mario is there? Metal Mario?
Mario Kart 2, isn't he?
I like Mario Party. I played that on my nephew's Nintendo Switch with him. Nintendo Switch is actually pretty cool. I actually thought about that, either getting that or an Xbox One. But I think we have Xbox One just because, you know, I love Xbox. Xbox is a good system. It's on my shit the floor. And which I don't understand why I stopped saving games. When that happened, that was probably about 2 years ago now. When that happened. And I got this in 2013. So this Christmas would be 7 years since I had, but when this stopped working, I wouldn't have had it for about 6 years. Not even 6 years yet, but just about 6 years. And I wasn't someone who like constantly played it for it to, like, you know, and even if I did, why would it be the memory that goes on my 360? You know, I don't know. What do you guys think about that? You guys think that's weird? Or does that happen to a lot of you guys? You know, is that like something common that happens with Xbox? I also heard Xbox 5's coming out. I forget when, but I remember hearing about that, so that's cool. I mean, it's about time, because how long it's been? Xbox 4 has been out for a couple of years now. What? 2014 maybe? When did that come out, Xbox 4? Like 2013, 2014 maybe? I don't know. I don't remember. Just trying to think. I know like Jesse, I believe, had one in 2015. That's what I knew. Probably like 2014, 2013. I think it kind of came out at the same time as the 360, didn't it? Oh no, Xbox One. Didn't PlayStation 4 come out around the same time Xbox One did? which was like 2014 or something.
Your
I
left
don't know,
stick
but
is moving around like your body. The right stick's moving around your face like the screen, like how, like what you see and where you see. So you got to be operating both at once.
I could be trouble.
Yeah. While pressing buttons and triggers.
Yeah, that's trouble. Hitting everything at one time.
Alright, Juggies. Uncle Larry's talking all this smack. Talking, he's gonna kick
1
my
minute.
ass and Monkey Ball and Mario Kart, all this stuff. Yeah, he's like, he's not really showing on camera, but he's talking all kinds of smack. He has no idea what he's getting himself into. The man can't even operate 2 sticks. Don't even know what Halo is. Like what? So we're gonna go take care of that. We're not gonna film that. So I know Nintendo is gonna be all freaking butthurt that I'm trying to film the screen. But just know, Uncle Larry's ass will be looking like this char-grilled steak right now.
We'll show the outcome.
You jumping in the pool? Alright, we can wait till tomorrow. It's gonna be a little cooler out. That'll be nice. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, Juggies, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Twitter, Instagram, links in the description. We gotta do something for Memorial Day tomorrow. We'll think of something. Maybe let us know in the comments.
Yep.
Well, Memorial Day is technically when? Monday, right?
Monday.
Alright, well, we gotta celebrate tomorrow.
Alright.
Alright, Juggies. Love you all. Don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comments and let us know what we should do. Alright, keep it rich, Juggies.
So yeah, I'm not upset about my Xbox. I mean, I still play it. GTA, as you guys know, it's just every time, you know, I load it up, I have to, you know, go through it again. But at least you can press, like, the what button is it? I know it's the green, I forget. A? Is it A? I think it's A. You press to skip everything, so you don't have to, like, watch through everything in the beginning. So when I start it up, like, I'll probably be playing it after this video. So when I start it up, it probably takes me 5 minutes just to be able to actually get into the game to play. But actually, probably not even 5, maybe 2 minutes. But I mean, it's not too bad, you know, GTA 4. This sucks, like I said, I did try doing a memory card, guys, a little flash drive. It was working for a while, and for whatever reason, just stopped working. The flash drive. You know, one day I went on, and it just, I had stuff from the game. I was like, you know what sucked too? When that happened, when my Xbox stopped saving games, it's when I actually got far in the game. For a while, I never done any missions. Then I started doing the missions. I was like, oh, these are actually not too bad missions. So I thought they were going to be card missions in GTA, but, you know, I started to get somewhere and everything, and it just sucks. And then, you know, it ends up shitting the floor on me. Or shitting the bed. Shitting the floor. Oh, let's see this video. Okay, yeah, we're going back to Larry's video. Big Brother's a big problem. That's interesting. I'm excited to see if you guys are intrigued by that, but I am gonna go. Because I gotta do something before I record this next video. But yeah, I'll do what I have to before when I do back-to-back reactions. I'll be up. This one will be up first. Get this all sorted out. I'll be uploading the next one after this is public. So by the time you guys finish watching this video should be probably up or whatever. Anyways, love you so much. Guys, follow me on all my socials, follow Colin, and subscribe to Josh, subscribe to Rich, my hashtag KCsoRandom, subscribe to yourself, and subscribe to me. I want to get live stream back. I want to make this my career. Love you guys so much. My randomers. I will see you in the next video. Peace.